Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the PayPal app on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download and install the PayPal app on your computer, first open up the Play Store on your Android device. And after opening your Play Store, you can see the search bar on the top of the screen. Tap over there and search for PayPal like this, and hit on search, and you can see the PayPal is available on the first of the list. Tap over there on the PayPal, and guys, you can see I have already downloaded and installed the PayPal app, so it's giving me the open button. But in your case, the install button will be available over there. Tap on install and the PayPal app will be downloaded and installed on your Android device. And there, guys, this is how you download and install the PayPal app and your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.